In this video we are going to discuss the secret of mixing ginger with clove. If you're looking for a simple and natural way to boost your immune system, lower your blood sugar, lower your cholesterol, and prevent respiratory diseases, this video is ideal for you. First ingredient: fresh ginger. Ginger is high in gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Just 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger can help prevent various types of nausea, including chemotherapy-related nausea, nausea after surgery, and morning sickness. According to studies in animals and humans, ginger may help improve weight-related measurements. These include body weight and the waist-hip ratio. There are some studies showing ginger to be effective at reducing symptoms of osteoarthritis, especially osteoarthritis of the knee. Ginger has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors in people with type 2 diabetes. Ginger appears to speed up emptying of the stomach, which can be beneficial for people with indigestion and related stomach discomfort. Ginger appears to be very effective against menstrual pain when taken at the beginning of the menstrual period. There's some evidence, in both humans and animals, that ginger can lead to significant reductions in LDL, bad cholesterol, total cholesterol, and blood triglyceride levels. Ginger contains the substance gingerol, which appears to have protective effects against cancer. However, more studies are needed. Animal studies suggest that ginger can protect against age-related damage to the brain. It can also help improve brain function in middle-aged women. Ginger may help fight harmful bacteria and viruses, which could reduce your risk for infections. To get the benefits of ginger, we are going to need a piece of fresh ginger, cut into small cubes. In a saucepan, put 1 tablespoon of the ginger. Second ingredient: cloves. Cloves are low in calories but a rich source of manganese. They're otherwise an insignificant source of nutrients. Cloves are high in antioxidants, including eugenol, which can help reduce oxidative stress. Test tube studies show that the compounds in cloves may reduce cancer cell growth and promote cancer cell death. More research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. Studies show that cloves may promote oral health, thanks to their antimicrobial properties, which may help kill harmful bacteria. Some studies show that cloves and the compounds they contain may help reduce oxidative stress and protect the liver. Test tube and animal studies have shown that the compounds in cloves may help promote insulin production and lower blood sugar. Animal studies show that clove extract and manganese may help increase bone mineral density. More research is needed to confirm these effects. Some animal studies show that clove extract and clove oil may increase the production of gastric mucus and help protect against stomach ulcers. More research in humans is needed. To get the benefits of cloves, we are going to need 4 cloves, 1/2 liter of water. Directions: cover it and put it to boil for 10 minutes on low heat. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Strain it. You can store this recipe in the refrigerator for 3 days. Drink 1 cup, of 180 milliliters, before bedtime in daily basis. This natural recipe will strengthen your immunity system and protects you against respiratory diseases such as cough and influenza. You can sweeten the drink with 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Important: it is not recommended for pregnant women to drink this recipe. Where do you get fresh ginger? Fresh ginger is located in the produce section of the grocery store. Look for a knobby root with papery brown skin, often near the fresh garlic. Most stores stock it regularly, but if you can't find it, ask the store's produce manager to order it for you. How to store fresh ginger? You can store fresh ginger root in multiple ways, depending on how and when you plan to use the ginger. Counter: if you are planning on using the entire ginger root within a few days, then you can store the ginger in a cool, dark place, such as on your kitchen counter away from the sun. Fridge: place the ginger in a resealable plastic bag or an airtight container, and put the bag in the crisper drawer. When properly stored, fresh ginger can last more than a month in the refrigerator. Peeled ginger will only last about 2 to 3 weeks, so the best way to store ginger in the fridge is to keep it unpeeled. Pickling: you can pickle fresh ginger. Peel the ginger using a peeler, then slice it thinly. Place the cut ginger in a glass jar filled with equal parts vinegar, sugar, and water. You can adjust this mixture to suit your taste. Store pickled ginger in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Where to buy cloves? Cloves can be found in small jars in the spice section of the supermarket. You will see both the whole cloves and ground cloves. But you might be able to find them offered for a lower cost in the Hispanic food section, where they are labeled as clavos de olor, or simply clavos. International grocery stores also often sell cloves for far less than you will them in the supermarket. Some specialty markets offer Penang cloves, which are gourmet cloves that are individually selected by hand to ensure that each one is flawlessly shaped. How to store cloves? Cloves should be stored in an airtight container, preferably in a cool and dark place. Whole cloves will retain their potency longer than ground cloves, remaining fresh for about a year compared to 3 months for ground cloves. Side effects of ginger. Side effects of ginger include increased bleeding tendency, abdominal discomfort, cardiac arrhythmias, if overdosed, central nervous system depression, if overdosed, dermatitis, with topical use, diarrhea, heartburn, mouth or throat irritation. Side effects of cloves. Avoid clove, in case of these circumstances. Pregnant women or children must avoid too much consumption of cloves. People with liver problems should also stay away from this spice. Eugenol in cloves is shown to slow blood clotting, and can cause bleeding. That's why it must be avoided by people who suffer from bleeding disorders. As a reminder, be sure to talk with your healthcare professional for personalized care and recommendations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.